Good morning, children. In the last lecture, we have done resolution of vector. Now, application of resolution of vector. First application is walking is example of resolution of vector. Now, suppose a person is moving on the ground, then the weight of the person is acting downward. Mg is weight of the person. The person apply force on the ground. This is F, making an angle theta with the ground. When the person apply the force on the ground, then according to Newton's third law of motion, the ground exert normal reaction on the person, which is capital R. Now, this angle theta, this is angle theta. According to resolution of vector, resolve capital R into two components. Along the horizontal, it is R cos theta. Along the vertical, this is R sin theta. Now, different forces act. First, weight mg acting downward. Second, force F applied by person on the ground. Third, normal reaction. Capital R on the person resolve capital R into two components. First R cos theta, second R sin theta. Now, according to this diagram, this force balanced by normal reaction. Here, F balanced by normal reaction of capital R. Second, weight mg balanced by R sin theta. Now, this F is balanced by R, so these will be cancelled. Mg balanced by R sin theta, these will be cancelled. Only R cos theta is left here. Now, R cos theta act in forward direction, due to which the person move forward. Therefore, we can say that walking is an example of resolution of vector. Second, it is easy to pull, then to push a garden roller. Now, this is a garden roller. Its weight mg is acting downward. This is a case of pull. Now, in the case of a pull, the person applied the force. This is force F. Makes an angle theta with the horizontal. Now, you can resolve F into two components. Along the horizontal, F cos theta. Along the vertical, it is F sin theta. This is the case of a pull. Now, if we take in the case of a push, this is weight mg acting downward. The person is pushing, applying the force in this direction, like this. This is the force F. Makes angle theta with the horizontal. This is F cos theta, and it is F sin theta. Now, we have to find effective weight. This is equal to mg sin theta downward, F sin theta upward. They are in opposite direction. The weight is very large than the force applied. So we can write here effective weight is mg minus F sin theta. Because mg and F sin theta, they are in opposite direction. Now here, in the case of a push, this is the applied force. Resolve F into two components, F cos theta, F sin theta. Now according to this diagram, F sin theta and mg, they are in same direction. Therefore, effective weight equal mg plus F sin theta. Now, in the case of a pull, effective weight is mg minus F sin theta. In the case of a push, effective weight is mg plus F sin theta. Now, in the case of a pull, you can see here the effective weight is mg minus F sin theta. So, this effective weight will be less. And in the case of a push, effective weight equal mg plus F sin theta. Therefore, effective weight will be more. Now, the force applied directly proportional. The force applied on the roller is directly proportional to the effective weight The force applied on the roller is directly proportional to effective weight. So therefore, we can say effective weight is less in case of a pull. Therefore, in case of pull, less force is required. Therefore, it is easy to pull than to push. So there are the two applications of resolution of vector. So this is the second. It is easy to pull than to push a lawn roller. Next topic is subtraction of vector. The heading of subtraction of a vector is the addition of a negative vector is called subtraction of vector. Suppose we have two vectors. This is A and we have second vector b like this. Now we have to add these two vectors. To find the resultant, here this is vector A. Superimpose the tail of second vector with the head of first vector. So this is vector B here. Let this is Kn and this is Ln. Now produce Lp opposite to the direction of vector B like this. This is Lp. Now this is minus B vector. Now join K to P in triangle KLP by triangle of vector addition. We can write here Kp is equal to Kn plus Lp. So Kp is equal to, this is vector A plus Lp is minus B vector. So we can say this is the resultant vector R and this is equals to, R vector is equal to A vector plus minus B vector. So we have added the negative of the vector B in the vector A. So this is called subtraction of a vector. So this